Hi everyone, is your Lyca mobile credit low or finished? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to recharge your Lyca SIM credit step by step.
First method is online recharge. Open the official Lyca Mobile website, enter your Lyca phone number, choose a recharge amount, and pay using a debit or credit card.
Your credit will be added instantly. Scratch the voucher, then dial *131*PN# and press call.
You'll receive a confirmation message. To check your balance, dial *131#.
Tilk. To check, Lyca number *132#. For remaining data balance, dial *137#, then press call.
If you like this video tutorial, please like, subscribe, and comment for more SIM card tips.